How to sign out of email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Here, scroll down until you find and tap on Mail. This section allows you to manage your email accounts, notifications, and other related preferences. On the Mail settings page, tap on Accounts to view all the email accounts linked to your device. From the list of accounts, select the Gmail account that you wish to remove. On the Gmail account settings screen, tap on the Delete Account option located at the bottom. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Tap on Delete Account again to finalize the action. The Gmail account and its data will now be successfully removed from your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily sign out of email on an iPhone.